Hello and welcome to Froggity Frog Crochet and this stitch guide on how to crochet the tread stitch. So this is a really interesting stitch. It's made using a different way to normal stitches, but the look is great. It's hole free and it's quite dense as well. So to make this stitch, you're going to need a foundation chain in any number of stitches that you choose, plus 2, plus 1 for your turning chain. To start the tread stitch, we're going to be working in the third chain from our hook. So I've marked the first chain as our turning chain will count as the first stitch of the row. So 1, 2, 3, and make a single crochet. Then make a single crochet in each chain across. So the tread stitch is all based on single crochet stitches. And it's just the way that we work each stitch that makes the stitch look like it does. Okay, so row 1 is just all single crochet in every stitch across. Then we're going to turn and chain 1. And we're going to make a single crochet in the first stitch of the row. Let's grab a stitch markers put in there. Okay, so single crochet in the first stitch of the row, and then we make a tread stitch. So into the next stitch, insert your hook, pull up a loop. 2 loops on your hook. Now we're going to work backwards. We're going to go into that first stitch where we just made the single crochet. Okay, so insert your hook into that stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. And that is a tread stitch. So we completed the tread stitch in the first stitch of a row, but we started in the second stitch. So to do the next tread stitch, we go into the next one. So that's the third stitch, because we started in there. We next go into here, yarn over, pull up a loop. Going backwards to the previous stitch where we started our last tread stitch, insert your hook into that stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops on your hook. And you just tread stitch in every stitch across. So insert your hook into the next unused stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, 2 loops on your hook, go back to the previous stitch, insert your hook into there, yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops, and just continue that in every stitch across. And you just continue that all the way to the end of the row. This stitch has quite a nice rhythm to it once you get into it. But working each stitch twice, it does make this stitch wonderfully thick. Oops, drop the loop. And there's no holes in it. It makes it a really fantastically thick and warm stitch. So when you have 2 stitches left, make a tread stitch in the next stitch, and then the final stitch, which in this case is the turning chain, which is going to make a single crochet. I'll take that stitch marker out. Then make a single crochet into the turning chain. Oops. There we go. And that is row 2 of the tread stitch, and you can see it makes these lovely little ridges for the stitches. So the tread stitch is just a repeat of row 2. You just make a tread stitch in every single stitch. You start and end each row with a single crochet, but other than that, it's just a tread stitch in each stitch across. And there is your stitch guide on how to crochet the tread stitch. I would love to see what you make with this stitch. Please do come and show us over in our Facebook group, Froggity Frogs, Ribbons and Stitch. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel as well for more crochet stitches, hints and tips, and free patterns as well. So thank you for watching, and if there's any other stitches that you would love to see how to make, let me know in the comments below, and you could see your stitch guide on here next. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.